How to sign up Paycor. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch your preferred browser and search for Paycor login. In here, you need to tap on the first option, that is Paycor Secure Access Employee Login. Wait until you are redirected. Now in here, you can easily enter your username and your password to sign in into your account. If you have forgotten any of the credential, just tap on the designated credential and tap on the sign in button. You can also sign in with SSO. Just simply tap on sign in with SSO, in which just enter email address and username. You can toggle on remember username if you want to and tap on the sign in button. After which you'll be able to sign in into your Paycor account. If you are new, just tap on the register here button. Enter your language, then your last name. Enter the access code and your designated email and tap on next. Follow the next process as instructed. That is how you will be able to sign up into your Paycor account. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.